Stop stressing over Bluetooth troubles. Try these simple steps instead. You'll be connected in no time. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and your car is in park. Sounds simple, but sometimes it's just that easy. Next, check if your Honda Civic is showing up on your phone's Bluetooth menu. If it's not, delete any old Honda connections on your phone. Then, try searching again. Still not working? Turn your car off, then back on. Restart your phone too. Sometimes a quick reset does the trick. If you're still having trouble, go to your Civic's touchscreen. Tap Settings, then Bluetooth, and remove any paired devices you don't use. On your phone, do the same. Clear out any old connections. Now pair your phone and car again. When your Honda Civic pops up on your phone, tap it and enter any code if asked. Wait a few seconds. You should see connected, and you're good to go. If nothing works, check your car's manual for Bluetooth versions. Some older phones may not work with newer cars and vice versa. That's it. Quick steps, easy fixes. Now you know how to fix your Honda Civic's Bluetooth connection fast.